name is Rahana Mijama Iso.
Hi, my name is Nuhata.
Hello, I am Kasrina.
Hello, I'm Ayuni.
Hello everyone, so finally we choose Ex-Situ as our mini project topic. In a time when ecosystem face increasing threats, efforts to conserve species outside their natural habitats known as Ex-Situ conservation have become essential. This botanical garden is not only a place of relaxation but a living laboratory dedicated to protecting ancient plant species in a controlled environment. A perdana botanical garden, commonly known as Taman Tasik Perdana or Lake Gardens, is located in the Heritage Park of Kuala Lumpur. It has always been a part of the green lung of the city and has a history over a decade. Originally created as part of a recreational park, but planted with collections of tropical plants, the garden has been rehabilitated and turned into a botanical garden. The main point of this video is to explore and highlight the importance of Ex-Situ conservation at Taman Botanical Perdana. We aim to raise awareness of how botanical gardens like this one play a crucial role in protecting plant species from around the world, especially those at risk in their natural habitats. Through this video, we hope to educate and inspire others to understand the significance of conservation efforts and how they contribute to preserving biodiversity for future generations.
Yeah, I know. Let's explore the purpose and significance of the Perdana Botanical Garden. So, the main purpose of the garden was to offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city's life, a place where people can connect with nature, right in the middle of Kuala Lumpur, growing urban landscape. One of its key purposes is education. Visitors can learn about the importance of preserving our natural environment and discover unique plant species native to Malaysia. The garden plays a role in educating both locals and tourists about the country's botanical heritage. Hi guys, have you ever seen this plant at least once in your life? So I bet you have been wondering about this plant since it is commonly seen but it is not commonly being talked about. So I am here to share some information about this plant. So this plant is known as a red Buton Ginger, or the other name is scarlet spiral flag. In Malay, it is called Tawahandia. The ginger on the name, it is because it belongs to family Costaceae, which is closely related to ginger's family, which is Zingiberrae. The scientific name is Costus woodsonimus. So the genus is Costus and the species is Woodsonimus. For your information, this plant is a species of flowering plant that is native to Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama and Colombia. This plant is commonly seen at a biodiversity attracting gardens, but nowadays some people also have this plant at their own gardens because it is a low maintenance plant. That means it is easy to take care. So it is also a long-lasting in florence plant, which means it blooms almost all the year. So that means you don't need to wait for it to bloom on a specific month. So looking at the structure of the plant, there is a bright red cone shape that is tightly packed and solid. So the actual flower of the plant is here, and it is temporary, but it will bloom over time. So, fun fact about this flower is it is edible for us to eat. So now we will be talking about one of the garden's most beloved residents, the deer. One of the deer species here is known as dama deer, or we call it as a rooster in Malay. The scientific name for this deer is Cervus elephants.
The family name for this species is Cervidae. It is said that the deers of this part have been transported from Holland, and that's why these deers are also known as Russell Holland. So, the garden is also home to another species of deer. Among them are the elegant samba deer, known for their larger size and impressive antlers. These deer are native to the region and can weigh up to 500 kilograms. So now, lastly, another species you will find here is the adorable mouse deer, or kancil in Malay. Despite its name, the mouse deer is not a true deer but a tiny hoofed mammal. Weighing just a few kilograms, this species holds a special place in Malay folklore as a clever and quick-witted animal.
Hi guys, so here I am talking about chicken. Chicken is an animal that we commonly see because it is one of our source of food. So, do you want to know more about it? Okay, I will explain. So chicken, its genus is Gallus. So on the signboard on this botanical park, they write the chicken's scientific name as Gallus spp, which means Gallus species, because there are various of species of chicken inside of the cage. There are some species which is Gallus gallus, which is the ancestor of the chicken, the common one that we usually see, or the name that is known among the people, which is red jungle fowl. There's another species also, which is Gallus varius, which means it is a green jungle fowl, which means it has a little green feather on it. That's all from me.
Habitat destruction, climate change, poaching and pollution are pushing many species to the brink of extinction. In-situ conservation or protecting species in their natural habitats is ideal, but sometimes it's not enough. That's where Ex-Situ conservation comes in. Simply put, Ex-Situ conservation means taking species out of their natural environment to protect them. But why it is so important? One of the key importance of Ex-Situ conservation is that it provides a lifeline for a species on the brink of extinction. When a species' natural habitat is no longer safe or its population has dropped to critically low numbers, taking them into protected environments ensure they don't disappear forever.
Apart from this, animals can be saved in the event of a natural disaster. Natural disasters can easily wipe out important organisms in affected regions. In-situ conservation efforts may not be able to easily launch rescue operations. Ex-situ conservation areas, on the other hand, are better prepared to handle natural disasters. Next, animals in ex-situ conservation live in very protected environments. The environment may have been artificially constructed to somewhat reflect their natural ecosystem, but it is free of threats like predators and poaching.
Next is monitoring the health of organisms. Ex-situ conservation efforts are mostly viable for small populations. This makes it easy for monitoring the health of the organism. If any disease or sickness occurs among the animal, they can be quickly addressed. This is an advantage for animals living in ex-situ conservation environments. In-situ conservation efforts are mostly focused on protecting the animal and plant species from the predation and poaching. Overall, health of the species may be monitored, but individual health may go unmonitored.
Overall, ex-situ conservation acts as a safeguard against expansion, makes study easier, and raises public awareness of the value of preserving the variety of life on our planet. We now know biodiversity is essential to the well-being of our planet and ours as well. Every individual plays a unique role in sustaining equilibrium in our ecosystems. Unfortunately, said balance is currently on the threshold of destruction, but we can take action right away, be it through conservation efforts, sustainable practices, or even just raising awareness. The wonderful variety of life on Earth can be protected. Remember, every choice we make today changes the shape of the world of tomorrow. So, let's work to preserve nature's diversity and ensure a thriving and sustainable future for all.
Pakai cakap. Hi, my name is Ron. Kamu is Suzukan.
Hi, my name.
the gardens.
Guys,